Alright, so here's the FPV Arrma setup. Got the Runcam Nano 2 Racer or whatever, and got the Immersion RC 600 FPV or 600 milliwatt, and then a lollipop coming out the back, lollipop antenna, right hand, rat's nest of wires, just kind of all leading to a few plugs that I got going through here. Headlights, halos, Polo creations, and I got the LED bar in the back there. Paint job sucks, of course, but I don't care, it's more for FPV. And I smacked that one, so I gotta fix that. And then, oh yeah, all the LEDs, the Polo LEDs running from front to back. And that's basically it. Yeah, that's for the halos, the yellows for the halos, this black one's for the Polos, and that basically powers the bright lights I run underneath the hood, and the ones outside the hood here are coming out of this guy. And then the FPV I just plug into there, and just everything, the hood comes off real easy. I mean, it kind of takes some time to put it on, but less than a minute, so not too hard.